could it be na nandito tayo in one of the darkest moments of our nation? You know, it would have been good to live during the 1950s. Sikat ang Pilipinas. Philippine Airlines, the first airline in Asia. When what's this, Araneta Coliseum was the first coliseum in the world of its kind. It would have been good to live during that time na ang taas ng tingin ng buong mundo sa mga Pilipino. Manila was called the Paris of Asia. Yeah. Pero hindi, pinanganak tayo dito, dinatnan natin isang korap na bansa. No? Ang daming mahirap. Pila sa MRT, mababaliw ka. Aksidente ba na pinanganak ka sa panahon ito? O hindi kaya sinadya? Aksidente ba na dumaan ka dun sa crucible ng buhay mo? Aksidente ba na broken family ka? Sana hindi eh. Aksidente ba na hindi mo kilala tatay mo? Aksidente ba na pinanganak ka sa mahirap na pamilya? Sana hindi. Aksidente ba na hiniwalayan ka ng walang hiya mong boyfriend? Sa loob-loob mo, sana tayo pa rin. Gusto mo ng one more chance. Pero ang kailangan mo, new beginning. But when God comes into your life and starts to work in circumstances, in things that you never thought about. Romans chapter 8. Okay. Can you put that verse? All things work out for good to them that love God. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him and who have been called according to His purpose. You have a calling. You may not have realized it yet. Yes, every one of you, every single of you, have a sense of destiny that this life is for something. That you have been born for such a time as this. It is not a mistake that you're born in that family, that you're in that work. That work is not just a job for you. Could it be that there are people there who need Jesus, who need God's love? If you only rise up to the occasion, if you only rise up to your calling, to your destiny,